I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right whole house water filter, especially when you're concerned about lead and fluoride. I've bought and tested these products, so you don't have to waste your money. Let's dive into the top 5 options that promise to give you clean, safe water throughout your home. Product number 1. Culligan WHS 200C Whole House Water Filter Housing. When I first installed the Culligan WHS 200C, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy the setup was. The clear housing was a game changer. I could visually monitor the filter condition without any guesswork. This filter is designed to reduce TDS, which is crucial for ensuring that my water is not just clean, but also safe. The 3/4-inch inlet-outlet connections made it a breeze to hook up to my existing plumbing. After a few weeks of use, I noticed a significant drop in sediment buildup in my appliances. This was a huge relief because I've had issues with my water heater and dishwasher in the past. The pressure relief valve is another thoughtful feature. It gives me peace of mind when it's time to change the cartridge. However, the filter cartridge isn't included, so that's an additional expense to consider. Still, the Culligan WHS 200C is a solid choice for anyone looking to protect their plumbing and enjoy cleaner water. Why buy it? It's reliable, easy to install, and does a great job of filtering out sediment, which ultimately prolongs the life of your appliances. Product number 2. Culligan WH-HD200-C Whole House Water Filter System. I had high hopes for the Culligan WH-HD200-C, and it definitely delivered. The heavy-duty design feels sturdy and well-built, which is essential for my family's daily water needs. I was particularly impressed with its ability to improve the taste of tap water. It truly made a difference in my coffee and cooking. The system effectively filters out all kinds of sediment, rust, and bad tastes, making my water not just safe, but also enjoyable. Installation was straightforward, thanks to the included housing wrench and mounting bracket. One downside is that you have to purchase the filter separately, which can be a bit of a hassle. But for the price point, I think it offers excellent value. The Culligan WH-HD200-C is a great investment for anyone serious about protecting their plumbing and enjoying better water. Why buy it? It's a robust system that not only protects your appliances, but also enhances the water quality in your home, making it a win-win situation. Product number 3. HQUA WF3-01 3-stage whole house water filtration system. The HQUA WF3-01 caught my attention with its promising 3-stage filtration system. Setting it up required a bit more effort than I anticipated, but the results were worth it. This system reduces heavy metals like lead and mercury, which was my top priority. After installation, I noticed an immediate improvement in water clarity and taste. The multiple pressure gauges were a nice touch. They helped me monitor filter performance and know when to replace the cartridges. I loved that it came with a housing cleaning brush, making maintenance much easier. The only downside was its size. It took up more space than I had expected. However, with the capacity of 100,000 gallons, it's built to last. Why buy it? If you're looking for comprehensive filtration that tackles everything from sediment to heavy metals, the HQUA WF3-01 is a fantastic choice. It delivers on its promise of safe and clean water, which is what every household needs. Product number 4. iSpring WGB21B 2-stage whole house water filtration system. I was genuinely excited to test the iSpring WGB21B because of its 2-stage filtration process. The first stage captures dirt and rust, while the second stage tackles chlorine, taste, and odor. My family noticed the difference in our showers and drinking water almost immediately. Installation was hassle-free, mainly because it comes pre-assembled. The 1-inch inlet-outlet ports allowed for a robust water flow without pressure drops. I appreciated that the system doesn't reduce TDS, which means it retains beneficial minerals in the water. The downside? the filters need to be replaced every year, which could add up. Still, for the peace of mind and improved water quality, I believe it's worth it. Why buy it? If you want a straightforward, effective filter that improves your overall water quality without stripping it of essential minerals, the iSpring WGB21B is a solid option. Product number 5. Whole House Water Filter System by DYLS DFQ. The DYLS DFQ Whole House Water Filter System is a hidden gem. Its 3-stage filtration process does wonders for removing chlorine odor and taste. I was thrilled with how crisp and clean the water tasted after installation. The system is designed with easy installation in mind. Each port has its own shutoff valve, making maintenance a breeze. I also love the fact that it preserves beneficial minerals, which means I don't have to worry about the TDS levels in my water. However, the capacity of 10,000 gallons is on the lower side, so it may require more frequent filter changes than others on this list. But with 2 extra sets of filters included, I feel well prepared. Why buy it? If you're looking for a user-friendly, effective filter that delivers great-tasting water and protects your appliances, the DYLS DFQ system is a fantastic choice for your home.